Hey there, crafty friends. Do you love to add a touch of sparkle to your cards, scrapbook pages, or even home decor items? Well, we have something for you, and today we're going to be taking a look at our fabulous new Stella Sequins. Today we're shining the spotlight on one of our absolute favorites, the brand new Stella Sequins collection, and showing you just how easy it is to use them with a few must-have tools from Altenew. Let's start with the Stella Sequins. These beauties come in an amazing variety of colours. From beautiful gold shades to sweet pinks and dazzling silvers, there's a perfect shade for every project. And the size variety, there's so much to choose from. The sequins range from 2mm to 8mm, the perfect selection to get you through any project you can think of. And to make placing those little sequins a breeze, I love using the Perfect Picker. This handy tool comes with a wax tip that grabs each sequin like a charm. No need to worry about handling tiny embellishments or getting sticky fingers. The best part, you can also get wax tip replacements, so you always have a fresh one ready to go if needed. This is a must-have for any crafter who loves applying embellishments. So whether you're finishing a handmade card, dressing up a scrapbook page, or just adding a hint of glam to your project, Altenew Stellar Sequins and the Perfect Picker make the experience effortless and beautifully sparkly. Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.